Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I was quite under the weather, you can probably tell from my voice, but today's the first day in about a week that I have felt better and I wanted to bring you guys this haul. So there's quite a few things, different categories, so we'll just get right into it. But I'm gonna start off with the thing that I almost did a happy dance over. So I've been looking for these a few months, and really I know that you guys understand when you've been looking for something and hoping to find it and then you see it in the Dollar Tree. It's almost like a squeal comes out. These are little garden hooks, and I actually picked up some lanterns from Target on clearance for outdoors. I live in California where we can have things outside all the time, and I just wanted some brackets to hold them, and I didn't want to pay more than $1. So I found plenty of these. I found 5, I only need 4, and I mean, you could use them as shelf supports, you could use them as plant holders or hangers, which is what I think they're intended for, but I'll probably hang mine like this and use them as little lantern holders along my fence. I'm so happy. So a few things I picked up just because it's October, like it's here. September's over. I don't know where that one went, but we have fundraisers at school and we have to sort of decorate up for October for breast cancer awareness, and I thought these would be really cute on the table. They do have the little footballs. They have all kinds of breast cancer awareness pink items out right now, so I picked up 2 of those and this little piece of decor. They're actually doing these little boxed signs. I don't think they've done that in years past. I mean, I'm used to the scarves, the bracelets, the pens, but they're doing little pieces of decor, and I thought this would be really cute on our table as well. So I just got those for school, and we'll put those away and use them every October. So this has nothing to do with anything October related, but my store had out quite a few Crayola items, including paint, and my Dollar Tree doesn't normally get paint. So I was pretty excited, especially to find these by the Crayola brand. So these are pencil toppers and there's 30 of them. They're also pretty heavy. I was noticing when I picked them up out of the bag, they're much heavier than the ones that my kids quite honestly destroy. So I have high hopes for these, fingers crossed. Something I had seen and hoped I'd come across, but I wasn't sure, are the little framed pieces of decor. Now you guys know I had to pick this one up. Now I'm not heavily into Farmhouse as far as like the animals and stuff, but I thought this had potential. So it does say Farm Sweet Farm. It's just a window style. The frame is pretty different for Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if I like it or not. So I say it doesn't look as good as their other frames, but it is a totally different style because it's like the window. So we'll see. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I didn't want to leave it behind. And then I found these. I'm not sure how I feel about them. So they are just little pieces of plastic put together to make a window. There is this little piece of clear plastic in the center with a little clip on top for pictures. So it's much bigger than what I thought it would be. So let me give you guys an idea. They're quite tall. They look great from here. Be careful if you find them in store, because I noticed quite a few of them were separated where the plastic is sort of joined together. I don't know if you guys can see on the base there. So just be picky about your items, give them a good look over. I did pick it up in white and black. They also have it in a real pretty teal that had like gold brush strokes on it. And yeah, they're out there if you're wanting to find them. A few things that no rhyme or reason. I just picked up some black shred to have on hand. This I was pretty excited about, and I didn't see these in my store before this. So cute little witch's feet. They are just little decorative picks. You could get a bunch of these and stick them in a Halloween tree, put them in a plant, use them in a DIY. I will probably just use them to decorate with. I'm hoping to do my Halloween in the next week here. But I thought these were cute. They also had them with, like, I think it was purple here. Maybe it was purple here and green here. I can't remember, but they had another version. I definitely like this one, and it's pretty well made. I have to say, I was impressed. Usually things like this are felt from the Dollar Tree, and that one's actually material, so good job, Dollar Tree. Being in the spirit of getting ready for Halloween, last year was the first year I ever decorated for Halloween because my kids were very little and always afraid. So I just always did harvest and fall the entire time of, you know, September, October, November. As they've gotten older, they've really wanted to decorate for Halloween. And so I did my living room with lots of skeletons and black and white because it's what I found at the 99-cent store, and I could incorporate without spending a whole lot of money. Well, this year I think I want to do orange and black throughout the house. So I did pick up some creepy cloth in black. Now I think I have some of this in the white, but just to be sure, I picked up 4 of those just because. I remember really loving this stuff last year when I was decorating. It was just a lot of fun to work with. Now, I did pick up 2 lipsticks from LA Colors that I have not tried yet. So maybe we'll open them right now and I'm looking to see how much more we have. I think we have time. So these are called Shiny Lipsticks. This one is in the color Dreamy. So they're not gonna be matte. I really like these colors if they are true to their packaging. So this one's kind of a mauve-y color, which is what I tend to be drawn to. Oh yes, I do like that a lot. So I don't spend a lot of money, especially on lipstick, because I put it on in the morning and that's it. I mean, unless I'm gonna go back out and about or sit down and film a video for you guys, I rarely put lipstick back on. So this one is in the color Skinny Dip. It's darker. It's got a lot of brown in it. I'll put it above. I really like this one too. All right, so you guys can see this is Skinny Dip and the one on top is Dreamy. So I really like those. So I don't like to spend a lot on my lipstick because I don't wear a ton of it. And the truth is it's gonna end up on my straw, on my cup. So I just don't. So I'm gonna give those a try and see how they do. But I liked the colors. I always just tend to look at the color of something, and if I like the color, I'll give it a try. So speaking of that, I got these last year and I really liked them. These are just the LA Colors nails. They put these out for Halloween. They have some glow-in-the-dark ones. These I really like. They're like the black to burgundy ombre, and this is an active length, short length. So that's perfect for me. You guys saw my video. I'm in the garden, always making a mess and doing DIYs. I also got this one, which I think I may put on tonight because we have something that we need to be in complete black for tomorrow for school. So these have a little bit of gold there in the polka dot as well, but they're mainly black and they're also short, which is perfect for me. Staying in the beauty stuff, I picked up a few bobby pins for my daughter. She has homecoming, you guys. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready. But Goody has the, well, I would say the blonde bobby pins, but this is more of like a coppery color. They're really just metallic, so they're gold and copper. You get 50 bobby pins for $1. And so I picked her those up in case she needs them for doing her hair. And I got these as well. These are a little bit more specifically metallic. It's by You Got This. Sunshi or Skoonshi, whatever you want to, however you want to pronounce that. So it's definitely gold, silver, and copper there. And these do feel a little heavier. So I figured the price is right. I'll pick them up. And then if she wants to use them, she can. I'm not ready. Okay, a few household items. I like to pick up these little things of toothpaste. My kids all have sort of a basket in the bathroom where they keep their toiletries, and I like them to all be slightly different so they know whose is whose. I don't get them because this one is Icy Blast and this one is Whitening and Stain Lifter. I literally buy them because they're just slightly different. I'm lucky that way that they don't tend to care much about it. I do have one child that does like the tube better, and so I got one of these. So I think toothpaste and toothbrushes are absolute good deals at the Dollar Tree. Something I always try to pick up just there because it's gonna be cheap. Now I'm getting over the cold my whole family got to enjoy in the last week. And last year I picked up these by Vicks and we really liked them. So this is the cough relief menthol flavor. They also have it in cherry, but we really liked this one. It's kind of minty. And then two more household items, and then I have some books, and I never really buy books. So this is a staple in my house. You guys know I buy the dish tablets. Ultra Shine, you get 10 in a package, and I'm running very low. And then I was happy to see Barilla back at the Dollar Tree. It was there last spring, I think. And these are just the elbows, so I can make some macaroni and cheese, and it's a good buy for Barilla at the Dollar Tree. They surprisingly had quite a few books. I feel like my Dollar Tree gets more books during spring. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know. Is your Dollar Tree like that? Like, I'm really surprised to see the amount and quality of books that I'm seeing during this time of the year. I feel like other parts of the store sort of fall by the wayside during Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, and then they beef up their game again in the spring. So I don't know if you guys have noticed that. But because of that, I was surprised to find these, and I'm not a reader, I'm a doer. And so I'd rather be crafting or looking at crafts or cleaning something. But these are gonna be good stocking stuffers. I know, I said that word, stocking stuffers. So this is called Found Faces, Your World, Your Images. And I knew immediately when I saw this that I have a child that would enjoy this. It was a $14.95 book, and it just has images of real things in the world that have faces that people have noticed coincidentally, and they've sent them all together to create this book. So I think it's interesting. Everyone's got their name listed below their images that they've submitted, and you really can find a lot of faces in the world. This one's just an image in a mirror. So we were coming home from school the other day and looked at a van in front of us that had two round stickers on the back of its windows. And it was sort of one of those utility vans with the two doors. And I said to the kids, it was before I even found this, I said, someone's watching us. I see little eyes. This is another one that's going to be a stocking stuffer. I don't know much about it. It's called Crazy Stuff. And it says, a weird and wonderful treasure chest of some of the strangest creations of this new century. Crazy Stuff brings together surprising inventions, bizarre places, useless gadgets, and extraordinary concepts. I have a child who is constantly wanting to invent something, create something, make a machine, take apart anything that we're going to be getting rid of, like computers and fans. So I thought he would be a fan of this. Look how thick that is. I can't believe it. So this has the price tag of $39.95. Oh my goodness. And it really is just all different kinds of creations, whether it has worked or not worked, just different little things. And I think he's going to love it. This is one of those books that you can just kind of get lost in on a couch on a rainy day. You've got a message stuck in your teeth. So, stocking stuffer. And, you know, I just think it's a fun little find. The sheep mower. So, take a look in your book area if you are a book lover. We just have a couple of other things. With decorating for Halloween came the reality that Halloween's going to be here in just a couple of weeks, well, a few weeks. And I have a lot of trick-or-treaters where I live. We actually kind of have an event in our area, and so we get a few hundred little trick-or-treaters. They tend to be on the younger side. And so I've got to pick up my chocolate, but to add to my chocolate, they had these last year and I picked them up. They are the warheads, and you get 35 pieces. I like to give more than one piece of chocolate. So I don't know if you guys are like me, or one piece of candy. And so this will just help add to the quantity of items we can give, because we do get so many. And I know that not every kid loves chocolate, so I like to have things that are not chocolate, and I thought this was a good little buy. These are the lemon heads, which I love still, and I think you get 10 boxes in here. So I picked up 4 of each of those just to kind of beef up what I have, because it's coming. And with it coming, I like to get the house ready and sort of decorate. And I always like to have a dish of candy corn around. So I do believe that's the best price you're gonna find is at the Dollar Tree. So I picked up 3 bags because as soon as I put it out, little people start eating it. I also got a pack of the pumpkins. I like to add a few of these in with the candy corn, and then if the kids want to make cupcakes or something, we can just put these on top, and I think that'd be a lot of fun. So let me know down in the comments what you're up to. I did see some Christmas stuff, and I'm just not ready to face that fact. I did get some footage, so I'll be putting together a shop with me, and I want to do a few more Halloween and fall DIYs. How do you guys feel about that? Let me know in the comments down below, because I feel like I should already be doing Christmas DIYs, but I don't know. I'm not ready. So I have a few things in mind that I'm hopefully going to work on for you guys this weekend. And I would love to hear from you. Do you guys want to see more Halloween DIYs? Do you want to see more fall DIYs? Do you want to see some non-holiday DIYs? Or are you guys ready for Christmas? So I'd love to hear from you. Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching this haul, and I'll see you guys back very soon in the next video. Happy hunting and happy hauling.